What? Dude, that's just skipping.
No, 2 years if you go back and if you go.
And I'll be 11 if we go back to Philippines. I'm 11.
You're recording now.
Not yet.
Phew.
Well, I could use that money. Just use the circles.
We are.
Can I try? Ma? Can I try that? It's so easy.
I know Durham uses it.
Init ang kuan.
Durham uses it a lot. And then last time he smoked and drank whiskey.
What whiskey?
Whiskey.
Mama, can I try it?
Booze. Kainit na kayo ang kuan.
Okay.
I have to. Oh shit.
Mama, once I use that with the light under.
You know, last time I did this with a fire at the see, it's like this. Look, at the look. Like, when it's
Sige, go.
It's on. See when I do.
Go na, sige.
I'll press play.
No, that's okay, boy. You just sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Albert. Happy birthday to you.
One
Hip, hip.
more.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Blow.
Blow.
Uy, kudak.
Let's just do it.
That's in YouTube.
Happy
It's gonna show
birthday
you YouTube.
to you.
And then one will see.
Birthday
Oh, can I, Ma?
to you.
Oh, can I see?
See,
Birthday.
blow, Bert, blow.
Do that one, not properly. Not you. Sorry, not you. You do it. Sorry.
Why don't you just do all of them and you did one?
Happy birthday to